Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronni, and if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are returning, thanks so much for coming back. So I typically do Boxycharm unboxings every month, and this month I did go ahead and receive my box yesterday. So I'll go ahead and do this video today, which is Tuesday. But more than likely, you probably won't see it until my next upload, which will be on Thursday, the 16th. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy. And this is going to be for the May Boxycharm? Yeah, May 2019 Boxycharm unboxing. So we'll go ahead and we'll get right into it. And as you can see, I've already got my makeup and my hair done. I will not be doing a try on in this video. I do have to take my daughter to the doctor here in a little bit. So this is why this is happening. If you keep seeing me look over here, it's because I do have a monitor and I want to make sure that I'm still recording and nothing is freezing up. But here you see the, you do see the box of goodies that we have received. And I was really excited to get this month. I was hoping for the Milk makeup blurring stick, I think. But instead, the first item that I'll show you is the Glamglow Gentlebubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. So that's what it looks like. And I love the packaging. I think this is my first item, if I'm not mistaken, from Glamglow. But this is the packaging itself. It says apply to wet face and gently massage evenly in circular motions. Rinse well and pat dry. Use daily as desired. So I don't typically use cleansers like this. I have my makeup wipes and my which hazel I use, but it doesn't really have a smell. Are you focusing? So that's what it looks like, and this is what it is like, kind of swatched. So as you can see, are we focusing? It is right here. So it doesn't really, it's not tinted or anything. It's not really runny or nothing, and it really feels kind of refreshing. So I'm excited to use that. I don't know if it'll be incorporated into my daily skincare, since I already have other items that I do like and I know and trust. And I thought I had a makeup wipe. Anyways, but once you wipe it off, it doesn't leave any streakiness or anything behind. And that does retail for $28. And it is 5 ounces, 150 milliliter, which I believe it is a full-size product. So I'm really excited to see about using it. Like I said, I just don't know if it'll be taking the spot of any of my regular cleansers or anything. But the second item that we have is this Alamar Colorete Blush Trio. And mine is in the Fair Light. I know that there's 3 shade or 3 color, I can't remember what it's called, but you do get this to cover it, and you get a really nice mirror as well. It is more of a cardboard feel, but it feels very, very sturdy. And this is what the colors look like. So I'm really excited about this. The I can't pronounce that. The middle shade though might be a little bit. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Okay, so I just dropped it. Good news. Nothing broke. God, I had a heart attack though. So as I was saying, I think the middle shade, I'm not sure, but if nothing else, I may try these as like highlighters or eyeshadows. Doesn't have a smell. I don't know why I smell all kinds of makeup for, but doesn't have a smell to it. This is Castaway. Swatched. So that's Castaway. This is Paraiso. I have no idea. Probably butchering it. But that's the swatch of it, the second one. And this is Scorcher. Sorry. And so as you can see, some really, really gorgeous colors. Really cannot wait to use these. And that retails for $22. So for 3 blushes, don't know if that's a bad price or not, but the total net weight is 8 grams. So, yeah. Okay, I gotta get me a wash rag or something. Alright, sorry about that. So that is $22. Let's see. It says it's supposed to deliver a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. Let's see, and it is completely vegan, which is really nice. Let's see. The next item that we have is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this does retail for how much? $18. So I have the shade Bury Me. This is what the packaging looks like. I know I've never tried a Dose of Colors lipstick before, so I'm really excited to try this out. I think my sister has, and I think she's a pretty big fan of them. I'll link her channel down below if I can find one where she talks about Dose of Colors. But I think she's used them before, and I think she's a big fan, so I'm really excited about it. The packaging is gorgeous. So, as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's more of a berry color, obviously, but it's, I still wear dark colors, even in the spring and summer. I do. Right now, I just have on something white because of my eye makeup. But I love this. It's kind of like a frosted glass. So really excited about this. And it says that it is cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and vegan. And this is Color Revolution. Okay. So right there is that. So there's that. Really excited about this. I will use it though in my tutorial that I'll be uploading on. Wait, I don't know. I'll try to upload the tutorial maybe one day next week, or try to do like a bonus video this week. I'm only trying to upload 2 days right now, Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I'll try to get to it though, like as a bonus video. But I do have another channel that I want to start vlogging on more. It's more like a vlog channel with me and my daughters. So I don't know. I'm still working on, everything right now. But then the next one that we have is by the brand Mellow. Their brow definer. Says it's a non-greasy, easy glide formula. It is $18, and it does have a triangular tip. It says it is it is the brow definer, and I've not even opened it yet. But mine is in the color chocolate. Okay, I'm going to pause. So after about 5 minutes of fighting with the packaging, I finally got it unwrapped. Thank goodness. But this is the packaging. So it's just black with gold lettering writing on it. You do get this on one end, and you get a spoolie at the other end, which I think is really, really nice. Like I said, mine came in the chocolate. Mine came in the color chocolate. My goodness. There is a swatch. Now, as you can see, it might be a little bit too dark for my eyebrows. I don't know. It might work. It should work. My eyebrows are normally pretty dark. Just depending on if I try to darken it up. Usually I use just like an e.l.f. clear like wax pencil to just, I'll put it in there and then I'll comb it through. Because my eyebrows are pretty full anyways. So I don't normally buy eyebrow pencils, but I'll use it. If not, I'll just give it to like, I don't know, my mom or something. She might like it better than me. But like I said, this was $18. And then the last item that I have, here it is. Okay. Okay. This is the Ciate London Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow. It's metallic eyeshadow. It's lightweight, fallout free. And this is in Cupid. I've seen these and was really, really excited about it. Okay, there we go. But anyways, this is the box packaging. So as you can see, it's got Eye Lustre, cream eyeshadow, and this is the package, or the product itself. Lord gosh. It is absolutely gorgeous. So it's not frosted, but does have a doe foot applicator. It's doesn't have a smell, which I really, really like, so I'll go ahead and swatch it. That is the swatch. So I'm really excited to try this with summer looks, because I think that this would really bring a pop of color, especially like to your inner corners. Ah, son of a biscuit eating mother. Trying to clean my language up because of my children. Anyways, I just dropped my lipstick. This retails for $22. So there was another one I know that they had as well. I forgot the name of Hitch. There's two variations of it. Just like with the lipstick, I know there's variations of Hit as well. But the Dose of Colors, I'm sorry, the Ciate, it's a shimmering eyeshadow, long-lasting. It's a metallic glittering liquid shadow, can be swapped on for full coverage, luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. So I'll probably use that more as a topper eyeshadow. I don't know, but like I said, so it's not dried down immediately. You do have some time to kind of play with it, but if you apply a little bit of pressure, it does spread out. So that's kind of what it looks like. Sorry. And that is it kind of sheared out. I mean, it's a gorgeous color, don't get me wrong. And I'm glad that you got some time to play with it. Like I said, I think this will be absolutely beautiful in summer looks, because summer is coming up. Maybe even some fall looks as well, like with dark brown and that applied like right in the middle or something. I think would be really pretty. But as you can see, I don't go by like dark looks for like fall and fall and winter. I will wear dark eyeshadows and dark lipstick summer, fall, winter, whenever I feel like it, to be quite honest. However, with that being said, let's go ahead and total up the prices. And I'll get my calculator. It's $28 plus 22 plus 22 plus 18 plus 18 comes with a total of $108. So we've had boxes that have been worth more, but I think it's really, really good that we've gotten some high brand names. I mean, you know, like Dose of Colors, the Alamar. We've gotten some of their stuff before, and I really like them. The Glamglow is probably like one of the most exciting items that we've gotten, in my opinion, in this variation. I really wish we could have gotten like the milk makeup stick or whatever. I would like to have tried that out, but I've got a lot of primers. I've got a lot of makeup that needs to be used, so it's kind of good. I probably didn't get it personally, but if I don't, only thing I don't think I like is the brow pencil. But like I said, as you can see, my brows is already pretty full. I just kind of work something through them like this. You know, it's something like this would last me forever and ever. But I'm really excited about it. You know, let me know what you got in your box. I will do a tutorial with this and probably some new makeup that I do have just laying around too. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. It means the world to me for, you know, watching it, coming back, you know, sharing it, subscribing, things like that. But thank you so much for taking the time to watch it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.